Kumar. My project name is Equipment Leasing. The team members are V. Sanju Kumar and Sri Ranjan. This is my total project. Welcome to all explain my project. These are all my folders and files. This is source code total or my project. And this file is our module. And run this project. This is the URL of localhost to run my project in localhost. This is my local database. Database name is project. These are all tables of my project. Now link on this URL. Open the project website, our registration web page. Now I open the Django administration. I input the username and password. These are all project tables and user booking containers are user all details. In this superuser, in this Django I am creating superuser. Now I am the login. Now registration first of all. The new user in this website. The name is V. Sanju Kumar. Username is Sanju Kumar. So gender male, phone number. This is my phone number and mail ID. I am given my mail ID. And address is Andhra Pradesh. Kadapa district and pin code is 516360. And the password is 123. We accept term and condition. And then I show the term and condition of this site. This site all are accepting after the registration process is completed. Now I click on this. Is a mail ID already registered because it's a super user. Now I am create the another mail ID. Name is Sanju Kumar. It's showing there. It's taken the user already registered as super user. That's why it's showing taken already registered user. That's why I create a new one more. Enter is mail. The phone number is same. The mail ID is different. sanju@gmail.com. It's the same like address. Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa 516360. Password is 123. As to my conditions. Now we create the new account. Now it's reloading the login page and is showing the admin page. It's a new user created in the table. Now username is now what I create the new user. That username is Sanju Kumar. Password is 123. Now I am logging the website. These are no containers available. I am not adding any containers. Now displaying the no containers. The containers are no, also not available all containers. Now I am open the admin page. Now this is admin page. Admin page username is Sanju. Password is my password. Under container I am adding new container. The container name is container 1. Under container number of size and file the uploading the file, the image of the container and the description, number of containers also 10 containers. I am adding 10 containers. Now showing the container. So showing the container, the price and the container name, container description and the number of containers. Now I am adding the new one more container. The container name is a container 2. The price 650. The images and taken one more image of the container. Also description. The number of product. That's okay. This I am showing the container list. Now I am creating the another container details. The container 3 and the price 3 to 1. The container image I am taken that image is adding and a description the pick 3. Now description is pick 3. The number of containers I am adding the 9, adding 9 containers. Now also showing the container details. I'm adding fourth container same like container 4. Under description the pick 4. The number of containers I am adding 5. Add the product or 2. I am adding 2 containers. Add the product. Now 4 containers are successfully adding. The successfully adding container details. Now anyone click on delete, it's automatically deleted. I click on the second container, that way it's deleted in this database. I click on products, it's showing the how many products in this. Okay, it's showing the 3 products. Now I am orders. I click on no orders. Now users, I am check the how many users in this register in my portal. These are the details of the user details. Now it is no available container. Now I am reloading this page one more time. Yeah, it's showing the now I am uploading the container details. Yeah, it's successfully showing the our details, container details. This home page display the no containers available, but one time is refreshing or reloading, the home page is showing the all containers. Now is available containers there in there. Now user how many containers is ordering or buying the container based on the availability to booking the now book now. Now he orders no containers. Now we book the container, click on this, only one container is default I given is successfully created. Now booking is showing the register available containers only booked containers not more than times. Now available containers only 2 different containers, and I am click on the one more container is I want 5 containers in this container is successfully adding. Yeah, is availability 4 containers is availability, total number of availability of 9, but I am only ordering 5 containers. So 5 containers only adding, other containers availability. Yeah, is successfully containers successfully book the container 5 is showing the also the booking details. This is about our web. Now the container showing. I'm log out my account. Yeah, I successfully log out. I'm sign up. Click on sign up. Log out website. Open the login web directly. I once change the website. The URL I'm changing home, but it's not go to home. First we want to login. After the open the based on user details. I am creating one more user. The name is Sanjeev Kumar and Sanjay is our username, male, gender. So my phone number is 8500853841. The mail ID is sanjay@gmail.com. The address is Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa 56360, and the password is 123, and accept the conditions. Now I am logging the second user as Sanjay. The password is 123. The sign in now. I am here successfully login this web page. Now the first user is order the six containers, two different container, total six containers. Is a second user what availability of the container is showing now. These containers are showing this like and showing the administration user details. Database showing this Django administration. The also container, the container details, booking containers, the user details, all are there. This container, this is the user details. Now back to the home page. This is the I am booking the another container is the second user. The containers are two. I am booking the two container. Fourth container name is 4, but availability container is 2. I am click on 2 more than not 2. That way availability based on availability showing the container booking. That way is a booking the user only, not more than the container. I successfully booked the container second user. Second user is the name is also showing this like okay. I'm showing the order details in the admin page. Also user details are showing the two users also. They're logging this website registered. Now I approved, the admin approved to the container is rental successfully approved, and similar to another container also working. Once admin approved, we cannot change it to is approved second user container. Now open the user page. I am refreshing. Your booking container is confirmed. When your admin is confirm the booking, the showing the user page the booking details. Now I am log out. I am logging the first user. First name is Sanjeev Kumar. The password 123. I am logging now. I am open the booking. Also is showing available container only one. The changed one container similar to second user. The container out is showing the approved same like that. The second user data and the first user data. Now I am approved this second container first user. I am refreshing this page. Once refreshing this page is showing that your booking container is confirmed. Yeah, is successfully showing that like. Now open this user the booking details. The booking details 3. Now open this one and book one more container. So 4 availability container. That way 4 now not available container. Available container no there. No booking available. Now open the booking. It's showing like successfully booking. Now I am log out. I am open the admin page. I refresh this order page. Yeah, it's successfully showing the first user booking the container. I am log out this page. Login admin page. It's not showing. The first one login admin. After this showing this user admin home page. Also is showing the total number of bookings. This is our user data, our database. This is our project. I mean my this one. Okay, inside of the code, this is the view page, total code. I am using generators to based on the function. These are the patterns, URL patterns. Once you forget, I create a forget password. Once user forget a password, we based on username to retrieve our password, the user password. User one. Yeah, successfully I am open this my mail ID. Yeah, backing. Yeah, it's now the 0 minutes. Now I am click on the I am reset this password. He send the mail. Now I am reset the my password. Click on the reset password button. Now I am creating the reset password. Now create a new password. Both are should be equal. 1 2 3. It must be contain at least 8 characters. And I am creating the Sanjeev Kumar. Yeah, change password. Yeah, I successfully change password. I am logging the new password. It's a username changed. I am changed the new password. Yeah, it's successfully adding the containers. The container. I'm logout and username password. Once I forget his username and password, I am just enter my mail ID. My mail ID san@gmail.com. san@gmail.com to send this mail. Yeah, successfully sent mail. This mail ID showing this one password. So created this password. Just now I am received this mail ID. Okay, I'm created a new password. Password must be both are similar and must be at least 8 characters. Now click on this login page, open the login page. I'm changing the new password to second user. Successfully logged. Also we successfully thank you for watching this video. Thank you.